Okay, so I usually never do reviews for Amazon. Like, I think this is my first video review, but this product I had to do a review on because unfortunately it just does not work. I bought this, I thought it would like work out well because it came with all the nice stuff, like the accessories are fine and everything. It just does not work. I'm gonna turn this on for you to see. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it does not even sound like the suction. You can't even hear the suction like in it. But it also sounds like there's something stuck in it. And when I opened up the product, here, let me just bear with me. When I opened up the product, you can literally, like, what even is that? Like, I don't know if that's dust, if that's like broken pieces, like, and then also there's dust all over the product as if it was already used. Like inside there you can like see some messiness already, and then I attached this nozzle on, but what's the point of even using this vacuum cleaner and all the accessories if it doesn't even work to begin with? So, and also another thing is when I plugged this into my car, it would not work. Like if I wanted to do it with a cord, but you have to wait a bit for it to charge and then it works. So you can't use it with the cord. You can only use it when it's cordless.